There and welcome to this comprehension exercise called School Visits, Are They Worth Doing? This is more like a debate whereby we've got arguments for and against different types of school visits and amongst them backgrounds. So this particular extract starts off following the death of a 12-year-old whilst caving in the Lake District as part of their school trip. When a terrible incident like that happens, people will naturally debate the pros and the cons of children going for school visits. Now, school visits are always different types. So it could be just going to the local bakery shop or the supermarket, for example, with children, or it could be just taking them down the high street for a walk just to look at the shops. And it could be the case that they could be taken to a very safe place, such as a museum, maybe in a coach with school teachers and other children. Or it could be the case that they could be going somewhere a little bit more adventurous, such as canoeing, maybe, or to a cave or a residential retreat. So in that case, lots of pros and cons, arguments for and against will have to be decided by school head teachers and teachers and parents in general, whether it's safe for their children to go or not. But ultimately, it's a responsibility of the school to make sure that the students are safe in their environment. So do have a read of this in detail, and you've got some questions to answer thereafter. I will be following this up and discussing this in more detail in our next class. Thank you.